today I'll just show you how to remember trigonometric formulas in mathematics. No doubt there are so many formulas in mathematics. I suggest you all of you to by heart and memorize the formulas. Basically, in mathematics, whatever the chapter, whatever the exercise you want to do, if you are very good in the formulas, and it's easy to solve any sort of problem. So just I'll show you some tricks how you remember in trigonometry. And in trigonometry there are so many formulas, so in an easy way how you can remember, and I'll show you some tricks, especially in trigonometry. Once you know the formula, you can easily solve any sort of problem. So just this is the first slide. Total we have here 10 slides, so just concentrate and just play this, and definitely you guys can watch it. And see, I'll just start this one.
Good morning, dear
Help for
student.
narration also.
This
Just listen this
presentation
one.
is very helpful for maths lovers. I hope after watching my clips, you feel how easy to remember the formulas in trigonometry. Thank you.
Okay, this is the second slide, guys. Let me just, I will go back to the first slide itself. See here, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, and cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here, don't get confused with the B means base. We can call it as base also. H stand for hypotenuse, and P is opposite, right? So sin, cos, and tan. The opposite of tan is cot, and opposite of cos is sec, and opposite of sin is cosec. And how you'll remember, there is this small very, see, just a small phrase is there, Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. So like that you remember the first, these two are is for sine, and these two are for cos, and these two are for tan. This is like opposite by hypotenuse, and this is adjacent by hypotenuse, or you can call it as base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Okay, now I'll proceed with the second one. Similarly, okay,
Good morning.
this one is the second one. Clockwise, you just have a kind of hexagon, right? It's a six-sided figure, and you just write down the formulas one after the other: sine, cos, cot, cosec, sec, and tan. That's the order. This is very, very important. Why? Because you just get a formula from here. If you move in a clockwise direction, how the clock moves, like the tan theta is sine by cos, and sine is cos by cot, cot is cosec by sec, and so on, like that. So this is called uh, clockwise. You are just getting the formula, just writing down all the sine, cos, cot, and you get. And after that, this one is anti-clockwise, the other way means like that, in the left hand, right hand direction, instead of that left hand direction, like that, how the clock moves, right? Reverse of that. So tan theta is sec by cosec, and cosec is cot by cos, and so on, like this. So here also six more formulas like that. You get, you remember so many formulas in an easy way. This is a diagonal wise. See, same thing, you just remember the order of this sine, cos, cot, cosec, sec, and tan, and then you get the formula. Now you just join the diagonal sine and cosec, see, cos and sec, and tan and cot. Once you join this, all this diagonal, easy to remember that sine into cosec is 1, and cos into sec is 1, tan into cot is 1, like that. I hope you guys can by heart and easy to remember, right? And then I'll proceed with this one. If you multiply this two function, the answer will be 1 only, guys. See here, sine theta into cot theta. See, like that, sine and cot. You're just taking in this one after leaving the 1 in the middle, so you get a cos theta. Okay, similarly you take these two, you get this one. Similarly you take these two, you get this one. So easy to remember, right? So now I'll proceed with the other one. This one is complementary angle. All of you know what is complementary angle. When you add two angles, the sum is 90 degree, then you call it as a complementary angle. Similarly, supplementary angle also, therefore that you have to have a total of 180 degrees, right? So here now you move this way or either this way. See, but sine theta can be you can take this cos theta and 90 minus theta, since you are taking as a complementary angle. So whatever the angle you have here, sine, you just subtract it to get the value of sine. Similarly, cos is sine minus 90, and sec is cosec 90 minus theta, whatever the angle you have. So on, proceed, you can get this, all this, another 6 more formulas. And then here the squaring of functions. So I am just showing you how the trick you can remember that the order is same, then but you just every alternate angle, just to make some parallel lines in that, or just make some color in that, and then you just double this function, sine square theta plus cos square theta, you get 1. See, this square plus this square is 1, this square plus this square is 1, this square plus this square is 1. Okay, and similarly anti-clockwise, if you go anti-clockwise, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. You know that when you transfer from left hand to right hand side, anything, right? So I'm just transferring this sin theta that side, right hand side. So in that case you get cos theta if you are taking from this side to that side minus. So that's why another 3 more formulas. So altogether 6 more formulas here. Okay, and now after that, this one is a table that's is very so important. You just remember the way how you by heart. I'll show you the trick. So is just you need to by heart only one, that's is only so simple, like sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and 1. That's it, believe me guys. I just practice it for 2 days. Definitely you'll never make any mistake in that. Just I'll show you the trick, the diagonal cos theta, whatever is the sine 0, you take this one cos as 90, see, diagonally. This one also sine 0 here, and then what is the cos 90 is 0, see, diagonally, last element, and interchange, just interchange this one crosswise. Similarly, these sine 60 and cos 30, see, diagonally, root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2, and sine 30 is half, and this one you take cos 60 half, diagonally. So easy way to remember, and only the common thing here is in the middle one, 45, sine 45 and cos 45 is same, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and tan theta is nothing but sine by cos. So in that case you get sine by cos means 0 by 1, you get 0. Similarly this one, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2, you get 2 to get cancelled, the denominators of both this fraction will be get cancelled, and you get 1 by root 3, and similarly half of root 2 get cancelled, and you get 1. 1 by 1 is 1 only. Okay, like that, and 63 by root 2 and 1 by 2 means this 2 to cancel, and root 3 by 1. Definitely you understand. If anything is then the denominator 1 is there, we don't write, it's understood, right? So root 3, and anything like here 1 by 0, anything by 0 is always can't be defined, and that's called an infinity. Here that's what is happening. And guys, the reverse of tan, see, that's what here we check it, right? So anything by c, any number, any 1 by 0 is infinity. Here also same thing, the reverse of 0 is not defined, and here this one, 1 by root 3 means root 3 and 1 is 1. Like that you can proceed, and you can by heart. So easy, right? So now I'll proceed with the verification, how to solve it. If it is a 0 degree, we'll just find out. All of you know, very familiar with the Pythagoras theorem. I'm very sure about it. If you are in a high school, and especially I'm just making this slide for the 10th class students, so that they can remember. Even for intermediate and higher classes students also can just by heart it. In case of if you forget, you just take this trick and you can by heart, you can revise it. Okay, so 0 degree, see, if what will happen, see, first, second, third, and so on, you are moving. This Pythagoras theorem is what the all hypotenuse is nothing but the square of your base as well as opposite side, and that's what we are doing here. So what will happen here, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So if you are taking at a 0, 0 by 1 is 0, see, right, and cos theta is base by hypotenuse, or adjacent by hypotenuse, 1 by 1 is 1, and tan theta is sine by cos, and 0 by 1 is 0 only. So inverse of tan is cot, and inverse even, so that you will get 3 more formulas here. And now for this is for 90 degree, guys. See, for 90 also same way you can solve it, and one more, and I solve it.
I hope you like my presentation, and just revise the formulas for sure. Practice makes man perfect. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Okay guys, this one is for 45. You can take it, you can refer it. Thank you so much.